Tin. Let's give Tin a round of applause again. Galing?
Number one.
Number one. Okay.
Tommy didn't know this is a competition.
Oh my gosh.
So you're placing bets.
Voting lines are open right now.
It starts at 10 pesos. Wow.
Baba naman. Okay. So for this next song, okay, from international, we're going to do a local artist. This one is a Tagalog song composed by our national artist for music, Mr. Ryan Baguebia.
Woohoo!
And this was originally sung by Mr. Nonoy Zuniga, but this one was made popular by, of course, my favorite diva of all time, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. So I hope you guys will like this one. Ang sulat ng awitin para sa'yo, para akong isang siraulo, hiro at lito. Sa aking pamina ng piano, lado'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, kinanalang puso. Saan naman kaya awitin para sa'yo? Dito ang gawing sukat, ang titik sa tono. Sampu man aking diksyonaryo, kung ang tugma'y di gusto. Basta isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa iyo. Gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw, gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Nasabi ko ang nais kong ibatid, dapat mo lamang mabatid laman itong dibdib. Araw-gabi tayo